Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Honda HRV. So from any screen, if we click on Home, you've got Phone, Info, Audio and Settings here. I find it's best to go to Settings, Phone, Audio System, Android, Bluetooth, Info, Bluetooth. Now, if you're having trouble pairing a mobile, make sure Bluetooth on/off status is on. But you've got Bluetooth device list here onto that, and there you'll see there's a phone there, an iPhone. Edit device name or delete device. Delete the device. Do you want to delete the device iPhone 2? Yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Honda HRV. First of all, we go to Settings, then we go to Bluetooth. You see Bluetooth was on there anyway, but the green slide is across there. Watching out at the bottom, over to the system, onto Home, onto Phone. There's no phones paired in this at the moment, so no phone is paired to the system. Would you like to add a phone now? Yes. Make sure Bluetooth is on and set to discoverable on your mobile phone. Well, it is, so continue. It's searching. My phone's searching too. It's found my phone over here. You'll see there it's picked up hands-free now. If I click on Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, we'll see what happens. Compare the following number with the number displayed on your phone, 811852. 811852, so pair and OK there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. The pairing process was successful, and you'll see there it's my Apple sat-nav has been connected, so we'll just look for where it is, Honda HFT connected. So that's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Honda HRV. So from any screen, if we go to music, this is the tune that's going to play. But if you look at the bottom there, it's got Honda HFT. If you click the speaker, there's a choice between iPhone and Honda HFT. The tick is next to HFT. That means any audio that plays on your mobile, if you have this set up right, it will play through the speakers, so that don't matter whether it's Apple Music, Prime Music, Spotify, a soundtrack of a YouTube video or YouTube music, it will play through the system. So we'll go back to this. I'm going to click play. I've got the volume turned down at the moment. We go over to the system. So basically from any screen, if you go to audio, that's the radio at the moment, but you see up here source. So we click source, and then that brings up this menu, and you've got all sorts of different things, USB, iPod, phone, HDMI, Bluetooth is there. We click on Bluetooth. That's showing it's playing this track. Now if I turn this up, turning that up, and then I turn this up, that's it, that's how you play music. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye.